past days as me Facebook omo kasa bebre ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters o say even messages omo de ba Asante Kotoko will dismantle Asante Kotoko adjectives akese Kofi this kind game I'm saying say Kumasi Asante Kotoko she o man sha then make I say I'll be much disappointed in them. First of all, Kofi me say kan ya bi we 20th October 2015 and this is the current president speaking, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Or say I am an ardent Kumasi Asante Kotoko fan. I have supported this club since I was a child. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Now, if you game na yekwa akobone see a friend the President Cup. The President Cup, no, why not the President of the Republic of Ghana? His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces and the fair gentleman of the land. Now, no agaka for alcohol. His Excellency say, Baba Beshata defeat an Ediaba because on person in support, every two teams in Mubia. I disagree with him. The reason why I disagree with him is because one Kaswa Commando Yakotoni. And it's about Bontebe Kache Sebia on support to Korkanasa on support as a me says as a house for Nabana Korkofona Bana Gaka for you know I want to play safe, I want to massage the issue. And the message GTV Sports Plus for the game near Koswa. One person don't really come and 2 years Pamame should be the President of the Republic of Ghana. House of folk force go and be some mood. And they fear dampa. Kotoko force go and be some mood. Kofi and now to way. Obianim say Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporter. Nyame wadom na be Minister for Youth and Sports. Na say bia Kotoko ne has ba bonaka say wo de wo benya wo be say white na obianim say no. Asama wo kan de wa kan kwa inside your heart obianim say we Kotoko ni. And Kofi me mesre if you look at this particular game say Kumasi Asante Kotoko make sure say Kofi anka wo video anka bo mame. Se video no ho anka bo mame me pese obi ahu ne nti ameka sa asem Kofi ade be ya hosem ne pa say ni poso support Kumasi Asante Kotoko as the fair gentleman of the land waka ama management ati ama board ati na players no ati na mo bobo de ahye na nimonyam na metra say this particular game mundi me ngori de Kofi ene wa makra nkeye o sa wo Kotoko just
shouts and arguments and everything. Unfortunately, I speak as the president of Hearts of All People. I went with the uncles who were for Asante Kotoko. With shouts and arguments and everything. Unfortunately, I speak as the president of Hearts of All People. I went with the uncles who were for Asante Kotoko.
And what's your president? House of folk no mudin komo, but he made it point blank to them. So there's some about my baby more we need the Ghana Premier League more Africa. But me cannot crack some makumo mu say me Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporter. Oh ye player if you have to ginger you today. Because ni pona mo back up in the Arsenal monyam no aka so ye Kotoko ni. Ade ba kwa ba ya hopa ne say the President of the Republic here pay that trophy. Na Kotoko fo gina no mo trophy ni ba no dey house of folk for nsem. And Mr. Kumasi Asante Kotoko for Kofi this particular encounter they should go extremely to make sure say so to me winning. They are tossing you. So man to me I'm not just a board was no kind and no. House of folk ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko o ma sha bibiri. Board Dubai be a coach for team and the Accra House of Folk. It has been difficult for Kumasi Asante Kotoko to score them. Me kai last season in the Ghana Premier League. Time a course and we board switch camp from a game of back Accra House of Folk. In the game of boy it was a decider against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Wow winning Kofi league na award janesa. Course and we board to miss Kumasi Asante Kotoko 1-0. Now no other in the Ghana Premier League. Yenye tena fear hey now obia started tactics the Kofi if you look at the point difference between Kumasi Asante Kotoko and House of Folk. Secondly, if you look at form and kita Kumasi Asante Kotoko ko boy ti Accra House of Folk obia me kwa na metena ka Asante Kotoko betimi ase redeem omo by 4-0 no Canada so call for win and akwana me boa for asking call for win Kofi. If you listen to everybody, a majority of the people were saying so Kumasi Asante Kotoko is on to know to House of Folk. Because after 90 minutes of soccer fiesta, it was 0-0. It do by being put here. Me won't say House of Folk for Kenya Kotoko for Jao. Enyani goes to Intamananke so much. And Kofi, so Manchester game we are not just as some of what do cannot ya no cre. So found that 20 to Saro Raslimpo bar. Did the Kumasi Asante Kotoko so mesho. Kofi, thirdly, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and then they some new bars in Echo Akura Stadium. Kofi, now watching. Open news ba kwa trend we Ukraine for 173 wa they attend the Ghana pa Kumasi Asante Kotoko new bus say 252,000 euros we convert back Ghana is come 2 million Ghana cedis 20 billion. Now if you go to social media who tell who be aka akono na no for bra you data bank for boys you say Kofi here kwadwa dey boss bass dey kama correct nije Kofi wo hwe no ma wo basses nim ene nsem amanfo kan ma kotwa so for bass dey aba no ma twe bass aba no ma twe bass aba Kofi say ne bass we Asante Korokodi kopiam wo ho na so man timi ansha o meka sa back na cry bad luck. I'm telling you, House of Folk for them will be a year, few Kumasa Asante Koroko for bass, no. Say bass, ya can't say bass, where do you say bass, where do you say Kofi? And this and the house Kumasa Asante Koroko for the bass, new stadium. May come on my train. So what work catch you, say? Ni team ni crowd here, so the under 20 new crash Asante Koroko show. Secondly, the president of the Republic of Ghana, Mukakoba Bonasine Munyano, Akaja said, or no, Kumasa Asante Koroko supporter. And I said Kumasa Asante Koroko for Boni Kofi. I saw him an extreme level to make sure so much my winning game. Thirdly, Kofi, so Kofa Japade 20 billion on the bar. Ebe jina ho. Na ade be are hunze Kofi, o ma bobo na wie na sa so fofu ashe Kotoko. Na supporters jina Kotoko base yi ho na omo sere base yi. Na so be ka fa base yi Kofi. And mesre and Asante Kotoko, omo nyiro omo ho. Na omo make sure so much my winning this particular game. Kofi, ya can say an House of Folk for this one yabre. And na madin komo bi won kran. Na Kofi ti House of Folk for na. Omo say so mo hye Kumasi Asante Kotoko. No man ni league ni kro mo pe. Enso me kan no mo gyina so. Omo say Asante Kotoko for akotwa omo bass. Na omo twa omo dia ba betare ho. Na Asante Kotoko for so omo bass ne ya ke ga nya bass e papa. Omo be so omo cha Kotoko for sa bass na nya papa no. E no mo place ne betem dia hye Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Omo so omo wi a. Omo chom so omo bass na omo de bass e mobo. Secondly, omo patch say na na dan kwa Akufo-Addo say oye Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporter enti no that game they have to win.
Asante. Mini where to start.